Hangzhou Chenrui air separator installation manufacturer. Chenrui is a professional air separator installation manufacturer in China. Hangzhou Chenrui air separator installation manufacturer located in Fuyan, Hangzhou, close to Shanghai and Ningbo Port. Chenrui is one of the first-class intelligent, low-energy consumption and high-efficiency air separator equipment manufacturer in China. We focus on providing the most advanced, reasonable and energy-saving air separation equipment for the industrial field. As the market's demand, Chenrui determined to be pioneering and innovative and to make progress, fully implements test management system, achieved National Industrial Product Production License, state-level high-tech enterprises certification, 3 invention patents, 33 utility model patents, and so on. Continuous technological innovation and technological upgrading brings the value for industry and society, make the air separator equipment more individual, intelligent, and high-speed. Advanced production technology will surely achieve extraordinary products. Vacuum dust removal, molecular sieve filling system, large shot blasting machine, automatic welding process, efficient production process and excellent production environment let Chenrui brand become the benchmark of air separation equipment manufacturing industry. In the era of information and globalization, Chenrui always insists to build long-term cooperation with design institutes and research institutes according to the actual demand to introduce all kinds of high-tech equipment and production technology. As a supplier of air separation equipment system, we have 5 main products: PSA nitrogen generator, PSA oxygen generator. Molecular sieve as an adsorbent. Under the principle of pressure swing adsorption, PSA will get nitrogen and oxygen from compressor air. Perfect process design, get high performance. Unique vacuum molecular sieve filling system and impacted technology increase the life of molecular sieve. Skid-mounted structure makes installation and transportation more convenient. With DCS controller system and remote output and control system, high automatic unmanned operation. Small liquid nitrogen generator. According to the patent technology of mixed refrigerant, Zhou Tongson MRJT refrigerator from Chinese Academy of Sciences, MRJT liquid nitrogen generator could produce liquid nitrogen continually, easy to operate, high automatic. Compare with traditional Stirling technology, MRJT will be less power consumption. No need regular maintenance, more reliable and longer lifetime, widely used in industry and laboratory. VPSA oxygen generator. According to the roots, blower will absorb at lower pressure, roots vacuum pump will analytic in vacuum circumstance. We get oxygen from lower pressure air with the feature of simple process flow. Oxygen capacity could be under 10,000 cubic meters per hour. Less power consumption, more cheap, more stable, more safe, easy to operate, and long lifetime. Small cryogenic air separator plant. Air liquefaction by turbo expander refrigeration cycle principle. According to the different liquefaction points of oxygen and nitrogen, we get high pure nitrogen gas and oxygen gas after second rectification. It also could get some liquid gas. Mobile special compressed air dryer for pipeline, connected series of cooler, filtration and dryer and other compressor air purification system, packed in container, easy to transportation and outdoor work. It is widely used in switching and drying of petroleum, natural gas and industrial chemical pipelines. We have excellent technical and sales team to provide professional service for you. Chenrui adhere to the business philosophy of integrity, cooperation, and win-win. We will note your actual situation and requirements in detail patiently, and the technical staff will customize perfect flowcharts and project books for you.